Okay, so real quick, let's just look at these plugs. So I've been out of country a couple of times, and if you've ever been somewhere and you thought your plug was going to work for this item because you had that plugged in, but you got the hotel and this was what you needed, and you didn't know to get one at the airport, you were pretty upset. So DJI has supplied their drones owner with all types of regions of wall plugs that will adapt perfectly to the brick. And I think this is a big plus. I'm not sure what this one, I don't know if I have two US or not, but either way, or I don't know. But I know these others, European or African, European or African,